Do you want to automatically share your WordPress post to Google Business Profile and boost local search rankings? Let's see how you can do that with SchedulePress. Before we begin, make sure you've installed and activated both the free and pro versions of SchedulePress. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to SchedulePress and click on Social Profile. Scroll down to Google Business Profile and toggle it on. Click Add New, then tap Connect Your Account. Choose the Gmail account you want to link with SchedulePress and allow the permissions. It will then generate tokens and fetch user data to connect your account in seconds. Once connected, another pop-up will appear showing your Google Business account. Tick the checkbox next to it and click Save. Finally, scroll down and tap Save Changes to complete the setup. Now, let's see how to automatically share WordPress posts to your Google Business Profile. Open the post you want to share. From the right sidebar of your WordPress post editor, scroll down to Social Sharing Options under SchedulePress Settings. You can choose to use default templates and profiles for sharing to Google Business Profile. Or you can navigate to Custom Templates. Here, toggle on Enable Custom Social Templates, then click Add Social Messages. A template box will appear. From the available social platforms, choose Google Business Profile and select an account from the dropdown. Then write your content as the social sharing caption. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of your message. You can also enable the global template feature to use the social content for every available platform. Next, choose your preferred post sharing date and time from the drop-down menu. Tap Save and publish your post as necessary. Let's take a quick preview of how the shared post appears on the listed business profile on Google. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.